All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Again, if you're like Mr. Sutton, I got this. Like I can do these. I know how. I see how you're doing this, and I'm fairly confident in my answers or your answers. Then feel free to move on here. But if you're not, keep watching. So to go a little faster here, now we're going to do it a quantity of 5. That's where we're at. So we got to find the price again. So again, if you're finding the price, you got to go up to your AR curve. Boom, that's your price curve. The price is 12. I'm actually not going to draw with that thing. It's hideous. 12. All right, so my price is 12. So I know my total revenue has got to be 12 times something, which is my quantity, which is 5, which gets me 60. All right. And so again, I'll draw this for those of you sitting at home. So 12 times 5 here. This is my total revenue. Times 5, we got 60. Okay. Now my total cost. What's my total cost here? Well, at 5, if I go up, oh, there's my ATC curve. Let me get my red pen. Looks like that's 3 if I go over here. So 3 times 5 gives me 15. So I'll go like that. I go 3 times 5 equals 15. And if you want my profit, well, 60 minus 15 seems to get me 45 again. I wasn't trying to do anything fancy there and have it come out like that. It just so happened that it came out as 45. And then your area of profit, hopefully you can see this, is right here. Okay. And again, if you find the size of this triangle here, this is 12 minus 3, so this side is 9 and 5 this way. So 9 by 5, 9 times 5 is 45. So that's a good check. All right, so there are 2 left, quantities of 10 and quantities of 20. Now, I'm not trying to do anything fishy about the lines. There is one dotted line that is missing that would make your life easier, but choose the most simple and appropriate number possible, and it should be pretty evident to you. I will tell you this, one as a hint and a check, one answer is going to be bigger than 45, and one answer is going to be less than 45. All right, best of luck. Do those other 2 on your own. Let me think for just a second. Hold on. Next up, what you're going to do is each one of these scenarios that you had to do with the quantities, well, there's a name for it. It's a certain type of efficiency, and I'm going to make you take some notes here in a second. So this process is the same, but what they'll do on the test is they'll give you a name. They'll say, okay, we're producing an allocatively efficient or socially optimal level of production. And you have to know, okay, where do I go on the graph to find your quantity? All right? So it's just going to be some terminology that will help you figure out what your quantity actually is. All right? If you have any questions at this point, you need to let me know and ask so that you can get some help. All right? Best of luck.